When I say bananas, you say peppers. And you guys, oh, these eyelashes are not suitable for my retinas. I promise you that. I tried this new style today, which what compelled me to buy these on Amazon? I almost said on Instagram. What compelled me to buy these? They're called L style lashes. I'm gonna see if I can like insert a photo or something, but they're literally like, they're like bent, like literally like an L. They don't look that bad, I feel, but they're kind of like not comfortable. I keep feeling like I'm blinking strange all day. Today, you guys, we're opening more freaking mystery balls. I feel like it's been a long time since I've opened mini brands, and now all of a sudden there's all these series that I care about. I feel like recently we've done babies, we've done Sunny Angels, which are not mini brands, and now the fridge, and now we have mini brands books series 2. I will just say, I really liked the books series 1, I'm not gonna lie. There were definitely some books I was like way more excited for than others. Like I was very excited for the hardback books. I feel like there was Goosebumps books. And there was Diary of a Wimpy Kid, which is oddly nostalgic for me. And I didn't know if I was gonna be super drawn to these or not, but do you know what is in these balls? I'm hoping it's gonna be in one of these 4 balls. That's how many we're opening today, 4 balls. Dracula. Okay, and not just any Dracula, as I'm sure you guys can tell, quite a fan of the literary novel Dracula. They have these luxury ones this time, which how rare are they? I'm hoping not that rare, because I swear I've seen 1,000 people with this Dracula book on Instagram, and you open it up and it's like meant to be one of those secret safe books, you know, but inside the book is like a vial of blood, and I really need that. But also there is, I'm now noticing, a Willy Wonka. It's not called Willy Wonka. I really wish it was. It's called Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Willy Wonka. There's a golden ticket inside. There's no cheat sheet for these. There's no weights as far as I know. I literally just picked up 4 random balls. Now I did try and like pick up ones that felt a little bit different. I'm not sure if there is the hardback option in these. I mean, really at the end of the day, you're getting pieces of paper that are like miniature books. So how heavy can they be? You know, not very heavy is the answer. Also, you guys, but I do think this is going to be a main channel video. I miss doing art kits. Look at this that I also got. I got this when I was like doing back to school shopping, which I hope I'm going to also, I haven't shaved my armpits. Don't look or do. I literally bought all this stuff for a back to school giveaway, and now I cannot figure out how to give stuff away, but I bought this at the same time. Look at this. Marker airbrush with this little thing. I'm very excited. But I think that's going to be a Does This Thing Really Work? So I think that's going to be a Graveyard Girl video. Although I have done Does This Thing Really Work on this channel as well. So who knows? Here's the chart. We'll look at that later. Does one of these have Dracula in it? You guys, we are on a Dracula quest. We have, yeah, see, okay, I don't even know who this is, if I'm being blatantly honest. I feel like this is popular. I feel like there was just some kind of movie, Never Never, Colleen Hoover. Who is this? I don't know. You guys, I'm very, very, very much a classic novel reader, you know, like Charles Dickens and the like, or I'm reading like biographies, you know, but just like random books, no, never, never. And it has the War of the Worlds bookmark. Look, this is something I know. I know this literary work. All right, how about the next book? What is this? Emma. I've never read this. Y'all, after just saying, I've read so many classics, but not this one. So I think that these are in the same style as the last ones, which the cover page and like the first page or so, you can actually really read it. Now, I don't remember if every single ball comes with a magnifying glass or just like every so often a ball has a magnifying glass in it. The magnifying glass definitely helps. Oh, is this... You guys, I did not get a golden ticket. That's like definitely one of my comfort movies, like the ye old, not the Johnny Depp one. I did not really care for that. But the ye old Gene Wilder, Willy Wonka film. I love it. So we did get Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. No freaking gold ticket, you guys. Why? Last thing already. It does almost feel like there's something in here. And what is this? Is this a candle? Oh my god. Wow. We're going to candlelight days. We're going to reading by candlelight? My god. Okay, I'm trying to construct this candle. Is there like some Charles Dickens in here? Okay. See, if I could just simply read the 3-piece instructions, maybe I would know what I'm doing. I actually really like this. This is magical, you guys. Oh, so are we going to be seeing a lot more classic novels in this series? Gee, I hope so. All right, you guys. Up next is 4 more books, 5 more books. How many came in here? You guys, I was like just as equally confused about the dolls, which are not called 5 Surprise, or maybe those are called 5 Surprise, but mini brands aren't called 5 Surprise anymore. You guys, the marketing, I can't keep up. Here I am opening, struggling to open these. You guys, I think it's finally time. My nails are too long, you guys. This is too long for me. I've kind of been raving about this nail polish. It really outlived my expectations like tenfold. This is the first time my hands have been painted with anything other than gel in like a century, and I'm shocked. Like regular old nail polish lasted this long, but now my nails are too long. They've grown out. It's freaking me out. We have Wuthering Heights. I think I have read that, you guys. I've definitely seen the movie. This is very embarrassing that I'm like, I know the classic novels, except for these classic novels. Oops. What do we have? Is it Dracula? All I need is Dracula. Okay, Huckleberry Finn I have read because I was made to read Huckleberry Finn. See, these are the classics, but just, I'm sure you guys want to know, like Bram Stoker, you know, those are the classics I read. Stephen King is not a classic, but maybe in my mind. What do we have? Oh, we've got a golden magnifying glass. This is great. This does really work, and it's very cute. Is the golden one like more rare? You guys, I feel like these are like the fastest mini brands to open. Oh, what? Ooh, is this the golden ticket version? You guys, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory has a golden wrapper. Am I gonna open it up and there's a golden ticket? That would honestly be, I would like keep that in my wallet. It's a golden ticket and a phone call. Hang on. All right, you guys. Now I can sing the song. Okay, we have a book. Repeat, very cute, but I got a golden ticket. And it's actually like kind of laminated. And this might be a little bit silly, but I think I'm gonna tuck this into my wallet, like where your driver's license goes. I feel like that will be so fun. And also, this was like a huge win because at first I was very excited, very confused because we got another bookmark, you guys, but it's a coffin. It's for Dracula. Does that mean Dracula is in one of these 2 balls? That would be amazing, you guys. But I bet, I don't know. I've seen a lot of people that I think are getting the PR of these. And sometimes I wonder, being someone who used to get this PR myself, like, do you get more rares if it's like PR? I don't know. It's been a long time since I've gotten mini brands PR, so I don't know. But I feel like I remember that back in the day, or that was something that y'all were commenting on in my video that I guess I never noticed until people were saying that, but I don't know. Who knows? Who That was not as fun as it looked. Okay, where did they go? Not only was that painful, that was reckless. Okay, I think I have all the envelopes. This, once again, feels like something three-dimensional. A cup and saucer? Okay, I wish it kind of had some kind of like design on it, you know, but this is adorable. I absolutely love this. That's very, very cute. I like that all the book minis are like kind of old-fashioned looking. Okay, Dracula. Is it Dracula? Is it No, we have more heart bones. What is it? Carlene Hoover heart bones. No idea. Oh, and we have the Jane Eyre bookmark. Super cute. Okay. Oh, I almost dropped that. You guys, these do open up so fast. What is this? The Sisterhood of the freaking Traveling Pants. Did anybody else want to do that with their friends when this book came out? I never read this book either. I feel like there was more books that I read in the last one, but I just remember this as like a concept way back in the day. And Kat and I, you know what, we should do it now. One time, I think we still have this jacket. One time at the thrift store, we found a denim jacket that would like travel back and forth, but this is when she still lived in LA. So maybe it made more sense that it would travel back and forth. Now it would just go from one neighborhood to another neighborhood, but maybe it would still be fun. I don't know. We have Tom Sawyer. Have I read this? I don't think so. I have read Huckleberry Finn, but once again, that was like a signed reading. I feel like very rarely did I like a signed reading until we got to Brave New World, which is one of my favorite books of all time. I don't even think they're allowed to like let kids read that in school anymore. Which is a very interesting choice, but, okay. These are not opening very satisfyingly. All right, I'm gonna close my eyes this time. That could have been an accident, you guys. All right, we only have this many more chances to get Dracula. That one has to be like super duper mega extra rare, unless I'm opening it now. Emma. That's a very thick book. Very, very thick book, you guys. Oh my god, are we not gonna get Dracululu? Oh, what is this? Literally, what is this? Oh, is it a lamp? Yes, it is. It's a reading library lamp. This is so cute. Okay, there's lots of pieces here. This looks like one of those cool old-fashioned library lamps. Let's see. Can she do it? I'm moderately reading the instructions right now. Okay. There we go. Now we have to put the light bulb in here. You guys can't see anything except for my hair, which I'm sure looks ghastly. These space buns are kind of like a lifesaver when it comes to like you need to style your hair, but it's kind of like a dirty hair day. This is very, very cute. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at it. It's so cute. I like that it's green and gold. Gold must have been like the theme. I feel like all the accessories have some gold element. This feels way too thin to be Dracula. Ooh, Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde. Yes, I have read this. Actually, my dad read this to me when I was very, very young. He used to read me like a classic horror novel like every October. Frankenstein, Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde, Treasure Island, which was not a horror novel, but somehow fit that theme. Ew! And then we have a Hardy Boys. We finally got one hardback book, you guys. I feel like we ended on a high note. The hardback books are actually my favorite. I really, if I'm being brutally honest, I feel like they should all be hardback, no joke. I feel like I really wanted the Dracula one, so I kind of was like 50-50 if I was gonna get any of these or not. But you guys know me, Dracula, but we didn't get it. But there's 40 plus books to collect. So yeah, I guess there's only 3 luxury. Okay, wait. There's legendary, which is somehow Eloise. What makes that legendary? I have no idea. Up next is iconic, which I thought was the Hardy Boys, but it's not. It's, Nancy Drew. Yes. What makes it iconic? I don't know. Then there's 3 luxury, which we actually did get one today. That is the Willy Wonka golden ticket. Also Dracula and Sherlock Holmes. Sherlock Holmes. Which looks like it's hardback and also comes with a magnifying glass. I think, oh yeah, find the surprises hidden inside. So I think all 3 of the luxury ones actually have the little mini item hidden inside. Yes, nice. Then we have ultra rare, which I guess the Hardy Boys, the Sisterhood and Traveling Pants, and Never Never. Those are all ultra rare. And then there's rare, which includes Frankenstein. Oh my god. And then maybe the bookmarks are classified as rare. Then we have all, a lot of common ones. You guys, I would have been happy to get common Dracula. There's also Moby Dick. I would have loved that. Dogman would have loved that. And then there's all these cute little accessories, which I feel like we almost got them all. Magnifying glass, lamp, candle, teacup. The only ones we're missing is somehow a cat and a bookshelf. But here is the checklist in case you guys want a closer look. I like that there's like a random cat also included. Very, very cute. Let me know if you guys want for me to try for the Dracula one again. I don't know that I will though, because I feel like there was just more books I liked last time because there was Goosebumps. Let's be real. Goosebumps, there was like 3 Goosebumps books, I think. And there's just a lot of books I haven't read that is in this list. Like I've never read a Sherlock Holmes book. I have never read, yeah, I don't know. Oh, what is that? The Prince and the Pauper. I maybe read that. I don't 100% remember. Anyway, I would love to know you guys' thoughts and feelings about these in the comments down below. Let me know. Would you get these? Do you like the books? Do you not like the books? Do you kind of agree with me? I kind of feel like they should all be hardback. I really, really do. I don't think that would be that much more expensive, and I feel like it is like a lot more high quality. It's like I like these. I like that you can actually like read a little bit of them. They're very cute. I love the concept, but a little bit for me, they're like the paper mini brands that I used to whine about all the time, where it's like we were getting a lot of mini brands that were like paper boxes. Now this does make more sense because there's so many paperback books in this world, but I like the hardback books, you know, especially when they're like classic books, classical works of books. I feel like those are all hardback, could be bought hardback. Anyway, you guys, I'm rambling, as I always do. Thank you guys so much for hanging out today and for watching. If you're not already and you'd like to be, hit the button down below, subscribe, become a member of the Banana Pepper Squad today. And you guys, it is finally lunchtime, and I think I need a nap, you guys. But anyway, I love you guys so, so much, and I will be back again very, very soon. But until I do, stay happy, stay healthy, stay sassy, stay banana peppery. I love you guys so, so much, and I'll be back. Bye! Hopefully next time with less hairy armpits. Oh, bye!